Hello everyone, let's see how to connect one slicer to multiple pivot tables in Excel. So here I open my Excel and first I select the entire data, then go to the Insert tab, click on the pivot table, click on the from table or range, and here the range automatically selected. Select the new worksheet and click on OK. You can see the new sheet is added with the pivot table fields right hand side. I just add here the product, click on the checkbox and click on the sell amount. And you can see the pivot table here created. Now I simply copy this pivot table. I select the entire pivot table and use here the Control C and select here the one cell and paste here. Okay. Now I click on the inside this pivot table and go to the pivot table fields. Then I deselect this product. Then here I add the salesperson. Again, I copy this pivot table and select the cell and paste it. Now here I deselect this salesperson and here I select the region. Now again I select this pivot table and paste here. And this is the fourth one, my pivot table. Now I deselect this and select here category and it's done. You can see here the first pivot table shows cells by products. Second pivot table shows the cells by salesperson, and third pivot table shows the sales by region, and fourth one by category. So this is the way you can create the multiple pivot tables from one data. Okay. Now here I'm going to add the slicer. So go to the pivot table analysis. First click on the inside the any pivot table. So suppose I click on the inside on first pivot table and go to the pivot table analysis tab. And here click on the insert slicer. Then here I select the date voice slicer. I select the date only and click on OK. Your slicer inserted. Now I select the one date. I click on the date. You can see the first pivot table here filter. Okay. And clear the filter. Is showing changes on the first pivot table only. Now I'm going to connect the one slicer to multiple pivot tables. Okay. So click on the slicer, then go to the slicer tab. Then click on here the report connection option. Here the small dialog box is open. And you can see the list of pivot table here showing, which are you already created in this Excel file. Okay. So I click on this checkbox to connect with the slicer. So I click on this all. And after that, click on OK. Done. The next, I just click on the slicer date. So I select the 3 July. And you can see the all 4 pivot table here filter. Okay, as per the date data. Again, I select the another date and see here the changes in all pivot table. I clear this filter and that's it. So this is the way you can connect the one slicer to multiple pivot tables in Excel. It's too easy. Hope you understood. If you like this video, subscribe my channel. Thank you.